save our planet, toxic algae could become a tipping point. A recent article in the Big Issue, the most widely read weekly magazine in Scotland, UK, notes that infestations of cyanobacteria, also known as blue-green algae, are occurring with ever greater frequency in both inland and ocean waters worldwide. Authored by feature writer Adam Forrest, the article goes on to say that not only do such proliferations disturb ecosystems and promote the formation of dead zones, they are also harmful to humans and animals, with exposure that can cause vomiting, blistered skin, and even death. The spread of these algal blooms has been notably linked to agricultural runoff from fertilizers and livestock manure, which is then aggravated by climate-related temperature rise. Areas that have recently seen outbreaks include the Baltic Sea in Europe, Lake Erie in the USA, Lake Victoria in Africa, and several lakes in China. In the Baltic Sea, for example, record-high temperatures this past summer led to an immense patch of the toxic algae that stretched from Finland to the south coast of Sweden.
In Scotland, UK, the Environmental Protection Agency cancelled at least 2 highly popular inland lake swimming events after cyanobacterial concentrations from the algae were found to be twice the level considered safe. Of even greater concern is the threat posed by global warming, as additional pollution, along with continued rising temperatures, could cause algae to overrun waters throughout the planet. Following a study by US scientists linking 5 past mass extinctions with toxic algae spread, environmental experts such as ecologist Russ George said that oxygen-deprived aquatic ecosystems could easily collapse.
We thank journalist Mr. Adam Forrest and the Big Issue in Scotland for calling attention to this danger. May humans everywhere strive to protect the planet through lifestyles that are sustainable and in harmony with nature.
During an October 2009 video conference in Formosa or Taiwan, Supreme Master Ching Hai addressed such detrimental effects while emphasizing the need to eliminate livestock raising to reverse the effects and safeguard marine ecosystems.
The livestock sector is probably the world's biggest source of water pollution. Excessive animal waste, chemical fertilizers, and pesticides degrade waterways, killing aquatic organisms by creating algae blooms, which in turn chokes the oxygen from water systems and help form these oceanic dead zones. The number of oxygen-depleted oceanic dead zones had increased from only 49 in the 1960s to 405 in 2008, and I'm sure there's more now. Regarding the concrete instructions and guidance to avoid the planet's destruction, it's again, be veg, go green, do good deeds, and be loving. That's a loving way to live. That's a noble way to live. We must develop our innate noble qualities because, after all, we are human beings, and it's the only way we can save the planet from destruction.